Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to delete more than 50 emails in Gmail at once. If your inbox is full and you're tired of deleting emails page by page, this method will save you a lot of time. First, open your Gmail inbox. At the top left corner of your email list, you'll see a small checkbox. Click on this box, and it will automatically select the first 50 emails that are currently visible on your screen. Once you've done that, look right above your inbox. You'll notice a message that says something like, "Select all conversations in this folder," or "Select all conversations in inbox." Click on that option. This allows you to go beyond the default 50 and select every single email in that label, whether it's hundreds or even thousands. After selecting all your desired emails, look for the trash can icon at the top of your inbox. Click on it to move all the selected emails to the trash folder. Remember, emails in the trash will be automatically and permanently deleted after 30 days. However, if you want to clear them out immediately, you can open the trash folder and click on Empty Trash Now. And that's it. You've successfully deleted more than 50 emails from your Gmail account in just a few clicks. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more easy tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.